Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making corn dogs. You will need 1 package of hot dogs, 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 1/4 cups of milk, wooden skewers, and canola oil for frying. Make sure to cut the pointy edge off your skewers, then place them in your hot dogs. Preheat your oil to 375 degrees. In a large bowl, add your flour and cornmeal. Now add the sugar, baking powder, and salt. Add the milk and eggs, then whisk until well combined. Place the cornmeal batter in a tall jar, then dip your hot dogs. Now fry your corn dogs for 3 minutes or until they are golden brown. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to craft